All right. Do we have fractions on top?
Yes.
Yes. What is the denominator of this one? And this one? Do we have any fractions on bottom? No. We just have the x plus 2. All right, so we don't need to really worry about that one. On the top, what is our common denominator going to be then? Take a look at number 4 here, right? What did we do when we had different denominators? We ended up multiplying them. So over here, what do you think they're going to be? So it's going to just be x minus 4 times x plus 2, but we need to multiply that to the bottom as well. All right, so if we rewrite our complex fraction and leave a little bit of space here, what I'm going to do with all the binomials, I'm just going to put parentheses around them because anytime we're multiplying with binomials, there's going to be some distributing involved. And I'm multiplying every single one of these by x minus 4 times x plus 2. Now remember, if you have a fraction, you're really multiplying the top. So I'm just going to extend the divisor here. We have x minus 4, x plus 2. X minus 4, x plus 2, x minus 4, x plus 2. All right, what's going to cancel out in this first part here? X minus 4, but then what are we going to have to do? Yeah, we have two binomials, so we're going to have to distribute that. What's x times x? X squared. And then here we have a 2x. Here we have a 5x, so what are we going to have? 7x. And then the last term is going to be 10. Now we're subtracting here, so I'm going to put a minus, but I'm going to put a parentheses because when all said and done, we're going to have to distribute this amongst multiple terms. So, so I'm going to set it up that way. What's going to cancel out? The x plus 2 is good. All right, so we're left with x squared good minus 7x and then plus 12. Now the bottom, you guys are more than welcome to start multiplying this out, but remember when all is said and done, we're going to want everything factored as much as possible. So I'm just going to rewrite this as x plus 2. How many of those do we have? So I'm going to square that, and then x minus 4, and I'm going to leave it in factored form. All right, what are we going to need to do on top now? Distribute the negative. How is that going to change this trinomial? It's going to change all the signs. Perfect. So we get x squared plus 7x plus 10 minus x squared plus 7x minus 12. Now what do we need to do? Combine like terms. What's going to happen with our x squared terms? They cancel. How about our x terms? 14x. And our constant terms? Minus 2. And final step is to do what? So what can we factor out? 2, and we're left with 7x minus 1. Does anything cancel here? No. Right? Do any of the binomials, nothing in common, right? Okay.